Just because you're employed, it doesn't mean you will never have a right para mag-isip what you're planning to start up sa fortune mo. So, nandito po ako sa warehouse. At ito ang typical OFW, literally. See? This is OFW Life Vlogging 101. Bye! Hello everyone! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nandito po ako sa warehouse. Kasama ko yung aking colleagues na si Eman. Brother. Hindi ako naka-live. Vlogging 101. Ano sabi mo? Rock and roll. This is literal OFW life. So, you just need to enjoy whatever you have at the moment kasi 12 hours duty and cancel off is something na kailangan natin ikalma lang ang time. Bye! Hi! Magandang gabi. I've just finished work from 10 to 10 duty. And I just want to share one of the lessons I've learned today. Na it doesn't really matter kung mahirap or hindi. Kasi at the end of the day, wala naman talagang may pakialam kung ano naging situations mo. So, it's how well you handle the situations, kung paano mo siya nadala. Kasi, kung titignan mong maigi, lahat naman ng tao may problema. Lahat ng tao merong kanya-kanyang reasons kung bakit kailangan nilang mag-give up at kailangan nilang i-pursue yung mga bagay na kailangan nilang gawin. Kuya, this God is always here. So, papaano ka magiging empowering sa iba is how you handle things out sa kabila ng nagiging bangengi ka na. So, yun. Showroom. Ito ako ngayon. So, the key point doon is pagalingan ng pagdadala. So, the more you keep on fighting for what you believe in, the more na nagiging persistent ka, the luckier you get, the more na prepared ka, you are more mas ahead ka sa mga taong hindi nag-uumpisa. Yun! Bye!